He thought, in fact, when Hillary first talked about doing this, we happened to be up here buying another boat, and she says, "Oh my gosh, we're going to do like a rendezvous, like a lobster thing, and it's going to be like 20 boats. Please come, no one's going to come."
Around Chebeague Island.
That thing was a mile plus long.
Oh, yeah, way out there.
We did the boat parade. It was fantastic.
This was a parade, the way it's supposed to be done.
They had more respondents than they thought.
Hillary also sent out whole lobster buoys.
Yeah, whole lobster buoys
to everyone.
as an invitation.
That was amazing.
Yeah.
So in the mail, we arrived, I was like, how do you say no to this?
So ingenious, and it came in a very large box. So when it arrived, I was like, what the heck is this?
They got 55 boats, which is a real testament to them.
We have a lot of customers been very loyal to us, and we wanted to express our gratitude to them. We thought this was a great event to get them all together. Their boats are in different places, but they wanted to come enjoy the event and enjoy the people here.
Most of us could have actually had an option to buy from a different dealer, not in Maine, and came up here because it was DiMillo's.
They've created this opportunity for everyone to experience where their boats came from.
This is the most incredible team that I've ever worked with in my entire life. And kudos to you, Chris, for being the leader. Thank you, Hillary, for putting this together.
A tribute to your professionalism and your character and your business. Thank you so much.
I think it was amazing was how organized. I mean, you know, I never knew Chris DiMillo had it in him. I mean, meaning he could organize 50 boats. You know, he got basically
It was
all of
Hillary.
us in a row. I think it was Hillary. Yes.
They really came from afar to be here for us, which really meant a lot.
I got to tell you, this outdoes everything that I've done in the past.
It has been a magnanimous party from beginning to end.
Yes, this is amazing. It's beautiful.
I'm pleased as punch, and I recommend this outfit to anybody.
Just nice people. It's good people.
Very good people.
Yeah.
And that's why I think everybody here would tell you that that's why they come back.